I've just stopped on my way to Ecclefechan here. See a John Deere ploughing. I'll just stop for a couple of minutes, see where it is. There's a lot happening today. It's just being in the right place at the right time. So I'm sure I'll find other things to film before I head home. It is G.Rae, it's Moth, and it's a Fendt 718 Vario Amazon combination all-in-one drill. I'll just watch it turning. Might get a name of the contractor on the side, or it's maybe just a farm tractor, who knows. Certainly a 5 anyway, so it's I never got the contractor's name, most likely G.Rae, but I could be wrong. Has been known. So the ploughing's fairly drying behind it being ploughed there. So it's ground certainly in better fettle with the drier weather. A bit of sunshine certainly helps. Anyway, I'll push on other things to film today, but that's a John Deere, whatever.